If you're considering Rentpost for your property management needs, here are 12 important things you need to know before buying. This platform offers a lot of useful features, but when compared to competitors, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Stay with us until the end to find out if Rentpost truly meets your needs or if another solution might be a better choice. The first thing to know about Rentpost is that it offers a solid set of features, including online rent collection, tenant screening, and maintenance tracking. This can make your property management life easier, but many competitors also offer these features, some even for lower prices or with more customization options. Next thing to keep in mind is Rentpost's pricing. While it's not the most expensive software out there, it does come with certain limitations on lower tier plans. You'll need to assess whether these limitations are worth the price you're paying. Competitors like Appfolio and Buildium offer similar pricing, but often with more features in their basic plans. The third thing to consider is Rentpost's user interface. It's fairly intuitive, but the design can feel a bit outdated compared to newer property management software. Some of its competitors, such as Tenant Cloud or Rentec Direct, boast modern, sleek, and easier to navigate interfaces, which might be more appealing to tech-savvy property managers. The fourth thing is customer support. Rentpost offers solid customer service through chat and email, but it's not 24/7. If you're managing properties in different time zones or need help at odd hours, this can be an issue. Some of Rentpost's competitors, like Propertyware, provide more extensive support with longer hours or even phone support. Next thing to know is Rentpost's tenant and owner portals. These are available, but may not be as robust as those found in some competing platforms. For example, Buildium offers a more comprehensive portal with additional features that tenants and owners can access, making it more interactive. The sixth thing is mobile accessibility. Rentpost does have a mobile app, but it can be clunky and not as fully functional as mobile apps offered by other software like Appfolio or Tenant Cloud. If managing your properties on the go is a priority, you may find other platforms to be more efficient. Next up, the software's integration capabilities. Rentpost integrates with third-party tools, but the range is limited. Competitors, like Buildium and Appfolio, integrate with a wider range of accounting and marketing tools, which might save you time in the long run. The eighth thing to consider is the flexibility of Rentpost's reporting features. While it offers basic reports on rent payments and maintenance requests, it lacks the depth and customization options that you'll find with competitors like Rentec Direct, which provides more detailed financial reporting and analysis. Now, let's talk about scalability. Rentpost is ideal for smaller property managers or those with just a few properties. However, if you plan to scale your operations, platforms like Appfolio or Propertyware might be a better fit due to their more robust features and better ability to handle larger portfolios. Next thing to know is Rentpost's maintenance tracking. While it does the job, it's not as detailed as other platforms that offer built-in work order management and vendor tracking. If maintenance management is a key feature for you, it's worth considering options like Buildium, which offers more flexibility. The 10th thing is online lease signing. Rentpost does offer this, but it's a bit basic compared to what you get with platforms like Appfolio, where you can customize the process with ease. If you're looking for a more professional, customized lease signing experience, other platforms might be a better fit. The 11th thing to think about is Rentpost's customization options. While the software offers some flexibility in terms of tenant management, there's limited customization when compared to software like Propertyware, which allows you to tailor your dashboard and reporting to your specific needs. Finally, Rentpost's reputation in the industry is solid, but not without its flaws. Some users have reported issues with billing and account management, which could be a deal breaker for larger property managers. Competitors often have a more established track record and more consistent user experiences. So, after considering all of these factors, Rentpost is certainly a good option, especially for smaller property managers. However, if you want a more feature-rich, scalable solution with more customization, check out our recommended property management software. You can try it for free and see if it's the right fit for you.